Hello, baby. I just got home from Bonnie's house, so I'm gonna let me in. Woo, smell me. I left dog hairs on my pants for you, so you can smell Tonka and Monroe. Yeah. You smell me? What is that? Hi, Basil. Princess. All right, come over here so you guys can smell me. Smell the doggies. You smell Tonka and Monroe? Hi, Princess. There's Woo under my legs, go in between. So me and Bonnie did some painting today. And Tonka, she has a video of when I came in, Tonka sniffing me down. So I was like, I'm going to go home and let Woo and Princess smell me. So, did you miss me, Basil? Did you miss me? Did you miss me, huh? Yeah. Okay, Woo, you want to see that? Okay, so, and then when I was there, Miss Share Bear made us something. So I want to show you guys that. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, what are you saying? You want to see it? Oh, she says, I love it. It's beautiful. I love this. Okay. Oh, Woo likes it. But isn't that awesome? She made that. And so I got to do some paint pouring today with Bonnie. And Woo's going to sniff my pants. Do you smell Tonka and Monroe? Do you smell the paintings? Did you guys miss me? Did you miss me so much? I love you. I love you. Do you like it? Did you miss me? I bet you guys have to go potty. Do you want to go outside? You want to go outside? All right, let's go outside for a minute. All right, so we'll give you a little minute of them playing out here. They've been in the house for like 3 hours. Poor babies. 83 degrees today. Woo's coming back to sniff me. He's like, Mama, I need to sniff you. I need to sniff you, Mama. Look, Woo, I left all the hair on my pants for you. Look. I think this is mostly Monroe. She's going to go swimming. She's like, I'm hot. Go ahead. I need to clean out the pool. Go get it, baby. What is it? It's a scooter. What is it? What is it? I think it's a grasshopper. Is it a grasshopper? Get it, Woo. Is it alive? Should I save it? It's moving. It is moving. Let's save it. All right, I'm going to save it. It's moving. Poor thing. Let's go put it in the grass. Oh, wait. It's okay, little feller. You can go now. Go on. Oh, it's moving. Should I give it mouth to mouth? Hello. Okay, maybe if we just leave it here to dry out. Maybe its little wings got too wet. Are you okay? Oh, its little leg. Here, put your leg down. It's moving. Alright, so hopefully we saved it. Woo's coming to investigate. She doesn't see it. Hi, baby. Oh, gosh, don't step on it. All right, guys. That was exciting. Was that exciting? I have to go pick up the kiddos from school and take Basil home. So that was our day. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. And Woo's still smelling Tonka and Monroe on me. Basil's like, it's hot out here. Can we go in? Woo's like, come on, Basil, let's go swimming. All right, guys, have a great rest of the day wherever you may be.